Wellness. To fuel, to nourish, to grow. Over a decade ago, in southern Sweden, our family found the key to liquid supplements, a formula designed to nourish from within. And that's when we became Swedish Nutra. Today, we stand as the leading liquid supplement manufacturer in Europe, and we ship over 7 million shots and 600,000 bottles of supplement that fuel people's health and vitality every single month. But why liquid, you might ask? Well, that's simple. Because it holds 25 times more active ingredients than capsules, delivering fast absorption rate, all of that in a delicious form. Our proven formulas are third-party tested, bringing real results. We proudly offer a wide range of solutions, from collagen to vitamins, designed to meet ever-changing demands. Our premium well-known brands, Swedish Collagen, our flagship brand Swedish Nutra and True Collagen, are sold by top retailers across Europe and distributed to more than 40 countries worldwide. We also offer white label services with market-ready products tailored for large and small businesses. It's a simple math. We know that when our customers grow, we grow with them. That's why we're committed to delivering the highest quality products and driving innovation every day. Whether you're distributing our trusted brands with our customers, seeking white label manufacture, or creating custom formulations, Swedish Nutra is your trusted partner. Grow your business with us.